Don't you guys just hate it when you go into BIOS and there's this password? Well, I'll show you how to bypass and reset the security settings. Next step is to open your PC. Remember to plug it out well, you don't want a nasty shock. And you try to locate the jumper, which is right over there. Now you see I'm going to move it one pin over. Well, I just want to show you. You see it's like so. So let me just that. Now you just press it down, which it is now. Okay guys, if you done with that, plug your computer back in and reboot. You'll see it will jump to the BIOS. Now this is very important. Go to clear BIOS passwords. Let's press it a couple times and not just in case. And also HD passwords. Okay, done. Now F10 to save. Yes. Now switch off your computer. See, it will actually say that. Turn off and just reinstall the jumper, what we've done in the previous video. So switch off. Okay, now you have to reinstall the jumper just to the previous position, like so. If you've done that, switch on your computer. Okay, which one is just powering up now, and press F10 or whatever your key is to get into the BIOS, and we're in. Hope this video helps anyone. Let me know. Thank you.